Hi, I'm back with Ratchet and Clank, and yeah, no Silent Hill. No, I wanna go on with my other walkthroughs. Yeah, and now let's gonna play Ratchet and Clank. So, and where do we gonna go? I think we have to go there, right? I really have no idea. Let's look on the map. It's so long gone. Yeah, we get there and there. Now we have to go there. Yeah, something here. Come on, something new. What's that? Mind glove. Yeah, not enough bolts. Boring. Come on. Fly. Not in the water. Whoa, that was close. There's some bad fishies in that water. Oh, big bad guy. Let's blast it away. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Come on. Yeah. Catch it. Man, I'm so tired. Yeah. Still work and training with my women team. Yeah, women team sounds great. Yeah, but it isn't. That are the most of them are old ladies, like married and have kids, and my little sister, of course. Yeah, come on, jump. But enough about that. That's gonna kick some ass. Who are you? Even more. Come on. Thanks. Ah! Little slimers. Come on. Bolts. I want to have the mind glove. Or something else. Money. Too far away. Really? Yeah. Oh man, it's fucked up. Yeah. And now? Yeah, dudes. Whoa! No more ammo. Haha. Ah! Stupid. Can't give it to me. Yeah. Ugh. You little guy. So now hey, come on guys. What the fuck? Even more? Are you all deaf? La la la. Jump. Something in here? I don't think so. No. Boring. Yeah. Jump on the taxi thing. Yeah. We wanna go downtown and kick some ass. Wow. Yes. What the fuck? Oh, they're fighting each other. Funny. Yeah. Gonna kill you. Yeah, motherfuckers. They have no chance. Oh, don't shoot on me, asshole. Who are you?
For your robot, trade you.
Well, okay, Ratchet. I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen. Look, trash can. If I says anything about it being hot, you better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Yeah, of course. Says not much. What the fuck? Yeah, gonna use my bomb globe. Asshole. So. Boo. Haha. So. Yeah, Glove of Doom. I love it. Something new. No. Yeah. I hate it. Almost every time out of money. Come on. What's up here? Give me your money. Yeah, Super Ratchet, you're so cool. Come on, and jump! Destroy! Can we go up there? No, of course not. Something special up here. Come on, camera, turn around. Nope! Let's kick some ass. Yeah, we have to head in that direction. That's all? Pretty boring. Come on! Yeah, get sick of that. And now? Oh no. Come on, Slimer. Oh no, big Slimer. Right? So, big silly Slimers. Nah. Why do they run over there? Come on, Ratchet. Go, 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 go. You die. Yeah, you will die. I hate it. Blah, nothing. Yeah, let's go down there. What the fuck? Yeah, I think that was a stupid idea. Let's get out some. La la la. So, one here. there. Oh yeah, they do follow me. Someone left? No.